So I'm Dr. Cynthia Hoque, and I'm a family medicine doctor here at the Knoxville Hospital and Clinic. So I grew up in southern Minnesota in a town called Mankato, so about 50,000 people, about the size of Ames. And I did some college there, and then I went out to Montana for a while and studied there for a few years. I love to ski, so that was why I went to Montana in the first place. And then I finished back in Minnesota with a degree in biology, human biology. In the meantime there, I met a person that I married, so we moved out to Pennsylvania, and he was a chef and I was a chemist, and then came back to Des Moines for medical school. I think the people who work here definitely, I've worked in lots of different hospitals and clinics over the years, but here people, they work hard and they work together and they really care about, not only the patients but also their coworkers, and that makes it a really great place to work. I had done some rotations in smaller towns like Boone and actually down in Knoxville too, and just really enjoyed working in those smaller hospitals and getting to know the patients a little better, having a little more time, and also just it's more of a challenge when you don't have every specialist around the corner every day, and I like that. Well, my favorite sport is skiing, so we don't really have teams. I guess I'd pick the U.S. ski team. I don't follow a lot of sports regularly, but I love the Twins if I'm going to watch baseball. I haven't chosen Hawkeyes or Cyclones. I don't really have an allegiance to either one, so cheer for both. My favorite movie is actually Chef. It just came out a couple years ago, but kind of a great story about what the restaurant world is really like. My husband and I own a restaurant, and everyone always says, that sounds like so much fun. And sometimes it's fun, but mostly it's really hard work. So that's a great movie about family and adventure and good food and being a chef. If I weren't practicing medicine, I would be a ski instructor again. I think open-minded. I'm kind of up for anything, and I love meeting new people and trying new things and just exploring the world. I think again, it's the patients that you take care of and their appreciation and just helping them live happy, healthy lives. It's kind of a big responsibility, but a great honor too.